Hi, YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today we're doing another Hot Ones review. I have a hot sauce subscription, so I get a certain amount of hot sauce every month, and you do this through the Heatness website. Well, today we got another hot sauce for you. It's the Hellfire Detroit line of hot sauces. They're small batch hot sauces, and this one is a Bourbon Habanero. It should be good. We're gonna see, we're gonna try it out. And I have my favorite foods. I have some octopus, and I have some bonchon chicken. So we're gonna see how it pairs with seafood and how it pairs with chicken. And also we're gonna just see how hot it is. I will let you know on my scale from 1 to 10 in terms of taste and also in terms of heat. But as always, please subscribe to my channel and also give me suggestions about what you think I should review in the future. So with that, we're gonna pop it open and then we're gonna smell it, see what it smells like. It smells a little hot. You can smell the bourbon in here. You can smell the peppers. It's made with ghost peppers. Again, there's things, their little logo is Taste No Evil. And it says out of the heat, out of 10, it's supposed to be on their scale. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 7. 7 out of 10. So I would suspect it's a little hot, but we're gonna see exactly how hot it is. And then we'll rate it in terms of taste. So with that, let's see how it pours. It actually pours pretty quickly. I'm not putting it directly on food today just because, you don't want any bad experiences. But we're gonna start with chicken first and see how it goes with the bonchon chicken. Then we'll try it with octopus and see what that tastes like. So we're gonna go all in. I'm hoping it's not gonna be too hot, but I'm gonna prepare myself for the worst. So we're taking this and we're gonna just coat it lightly with hot sauce. So make sure that it's totally coated. And then we're gonna go in. So immediately what I taste is, the taste is very nice. It has a subtle sweetness to it. You can't taste the bourbon as much as you can smell the bourbon. But with the spices in here, and then ghost peppers hit a little bit differently. My tongue is warm, or I should say, I can feel the hot sensation. I feel it a little bit on the sides of my mouth, but I don't feel it in the back of my throat. It's definitely not enough to make my eyes water, but it definitely makes, because it's hitting all over my mouth, it makes my mouth water. My nose is not running, but I can say the taste is quite nice. So I would say for chicken, it goes very well with chicken. And in terms of the taste, I like the taste. It's a very nice taste. So let's pour a little bit more out. This, to me, on my scale, is not a dangerous sauce. You can eat a lot of it, but it depends on your heat tolerance. So now we're gonna do it with octopus. This is octopus balls that they have at Bonchon. And so we're gonna try it out. We're gonna just coat it and then we'll see. It goes very well. The one thing about octopus balls is that the way Bonchon makes them, they actually taste like crab cakes. And so I would guess, by the way this tastes with the hot sauce, that this would go very well with crab cakes. I'm gonna put that here so you can see it. Artwork is just kind of basic, but it fits the Hellfire Detroit motif. The way that they do all their bottles, it's just like this. So you can't really tell the difference until you actually read the specifics on the bottom, where it tells you the type of sauce it is. Again, like I said, it's hitting all around my mouth, not making my eyes water, not making my nose run, none of those things. But it does make your mouth definitely water. So it goes well with all of these things. We're gonna try a little bit more. It's a final test, and then we'll do our rating for this. But it's super nice. I like it a lot. I'm gonna coat this again. This is definitely a sauce that you could just eat straight out of the bottle. It is nice in the way that it presents in terms of the flavor. It has a kind of a smoky undertone a little bit. The ghost peppers, again, hit pretty nicely, but not hard. So you don't have to worry about that. You could use this, like I said, as a regular sauce. I wouldn't use it as a marinade just because the amount of sauce that you get in the bottle, you wouldn't be able to marinate much. But you could use it to complement food that you're cooking. So you could pour it in while you're cooking, like some type of vegetable or noodles or like a mara beef dish, and it would be very nice. So let's see one more time. And also, we're not getting the cumulative heat. Like you see, I'm eating a lot of it and it's not accumulating. So let's see. Yeah, just as I suspected, it's not the heat is not accumulating. So it hits once, and then you're just kind of stuck with that like slow burn. I'm not sure if this would affect you over time, but I don't think so. I mean, it seems like you could just continue to eat this and it would be no problem. And again, like, it is just not super hot. So this is a lovely sauce that you could just eat with anything. Chicken, fish, I would assume that it goes well with beef. So let's give it a rating. So on my scale of 1 to 10, I would say in terms of heat, this is probably a 5, 5.5. It's not super hot, but it gives you a nice kind of burn in your mouth, but not unbearable and not where it would make the food not tasty. In terms of flavor, again, it's one of those sauces that I like a lot. It's about maybe an 8, 8.5. The flavor is actually quite nice. Would I order this again? Yes. Not because of the heat or trying to get hot sauce, but more so like a complimentary sauce that's actually quite nice. So with that, we're just going to close it out. I would say please hit the like button for the algorithm. Please subscribe to my channel. Please hit the bell for the notification. And in the comments below, please let me know if you've tried this sauce before. This is the Hellfire Detroit Bourbon Habanero Ghost. Let me know if you tried it before. Let me know if there are other sauces that you want me to try. And thank you again for rocking with me. Anyway, it's your boy GB Reviews. Please subscribe and like below. And we're out.
Subscribe, but like below.